Yes, so a great way to supplement your income is to purchase a machine that allows you to produce food, fabrics, jewelry, and so on. So you can sell these and earn some more money. So let's go over each of these machines and see what is available and can work for you. So the first machine is a food dehydrator, and this allows you to remove the moisture from bananas, berries, apples, and so on. And you can sell these to health conscious people in gyms, on farmers markets, and so on. So I've written down banana chips as an example. So let's go to the second machine, and this is an embroidery machine. This allows you to add letters and figures to fabrics such as caps, t shirts, sweaters, and so on. And this allows you to really customize these types of fabrics and sell them online or to schools and so on. The third machine is a coffee roasting machine. It's quite straightforward to use this. So you just add the beans and you roast them to the type of flavor that you prefer. And this allows you to create very specific flavors. The next machine is a foam cutter. And this machine can be used to create decorations. You take a big piece of foam and cut smaller pieces out of it. And this can be used for corporate events, weddings, and many more applications. The next machine is an UV printer, and this is quite easy to use because you can print a lot of items on mugs, cups, drinking items, and a lot of other items that are related to this. It's actually a printer that is very versatile, so you can use it for a lot of situations and objects, so you can use it very creatively. The next machine is more difficult to use. It's a CNC machine, and this cuts pieces of metal out of metal sheets, and you can use this to make custom shapes from jewelry to more bigger house objects such as tables and chairs. So it's also a very versatile machine, but it's harder to use as you have to be able to work with metal. And the next one is a pottery machine that can be used to model clay in different shapes, and it's a great way to create decorations and be creative with this type of material. The next one is my favorite. It's a sewing machine, and this can be used to repair and create fabrics. You can combine different types of fabrics and create unique pieces of materials with this. A lot of customization and custom work can be done with it. And once you have the hang of it, it's a very useful machine as well and very affordable. Then we move over to something that we see in a lot of kitchens already. It's a simple mixer that you can use to make cookies, cakes, and if you want to go even fancier, you can even use it for slime, given that this has become very popular recently as well. Follow us for more as we will share more insights and ideas. So, this is obviously a good idea. Just click the like and subscribe button. And the next one is also quite complex to use at first. It's a welding machine, so you're combining different types of metals, and a useful application is making jewelry and also furniture. So this is a great machine, but it requires quite a lot of space and expertise. One that's easier to use is a fruit pressing machine. You just add the fruits in the machine and you get the smoothies and juices out of it. Once again, obviously, can be used for health conscious people, and people spend quite a lot of money on this as well. Indoor plant growing has become quite popular recently, as you can use it to make pepper sauce. You can even grow microgreens that you can sell to restaurants. and it has quite a lot of applications, but you have to be willing to spend a lot of time on it, giving that harvesting takes quite a lot of time. So be sure to take this into consideration. The next one is a mini lathe machine, and this is quite commonly used in woodworking and jewelry making. Once again, this machine requires quite some expertise, but it can have a lot of applications in your home business. The next machine is a simple repacking machine, so you can create unique packs. For example, you can make a candy pack for Valentine's Day, for Christmas, or Easter. You can also combine different types of foods and or different presents and use this packing machine to combine them in one very cool and colorful packaging. Next one is my favorite as well, and it's a waffle or cookie machine. So just add the dough in the machine and create your own waffles or cookies. Some of these machines are automated, whereas others require more manual labor. The same is true about this machine, and it's a pasta machine. Italians will love this, given that they are very versatile and you can add a lot of flavoring to these pastas. So another machine that can be used to add flavoring is a smoker machine. This is used to smoke fish and meat and can be sold on a lot of farmers markets or even local stores and specialty stores. The next one might be more controversial, but it's an egg incubator machine where you take eggs and incubate them into chicks. And it's obviously a very difficult process, and you have to be aware of what you're doing when you start this type of business. And one of the last machines is a food coating machine. This can be used to add sugar or other flavoring to nuts, cheese, berries, and so on. So it's obviously something that can be used for a lot of types of foods. And that's it for today. So follow us for more, and I wish you a great day and a lot of success with your business.